Welcome everybody to Grammar Challenge 9.2. This is for Lesson 9, Dialogue 2 of Integrated Chinese. Just going to jump right in here, but before we get to the Grammar Challenge, kind of run through these two important patterns for this lesson. The first one here is X 跟 or 和 Y 不一样 or 一样. So this would be used to express similarity or dissimilarity between this X and this Y item. So if you have maybe the X is me, 我跟你不一样高. 我跟你不一样高. So I'm not quite the same height as you. I'm not as tall as you, or maybe you're not as tall as me, whatever. So that can be used. 他跟我不一样. Maybe just to say he's not the same as me. Or 我弟弟跟我哥哥一样高. That could be, they're the same height. So that can be useful for comparing different X's and Y's. Next up we have a nice conjunction, 虽然 X 可是 or 但是 Y. So you have your choice here. You can either use the 可是 for but or however, or the 但是. Just pick one of these. You obviously don't need both. The 虽然 is kind of optional, but for the case, since we're practicing here, you might as well just include it. So always practice saying the 虽然 when trying to use this pattern. 虽然 might be translated as although or even though this is the case, even though X, but still Y. Even though I have a lot of work to do, but I still want to watch TV. 虽然我有很多功课要做，可是我还想看电视. So you can come up with a lot of good patterns, even though, although this X thing, but still, this Y thing. So come up with your own for that one, and we'll see what you get. To help you practice these patterns, these two patterns, I have a grammar challenge for you for 9.2. Here it is. Let me make it a little bigger. To combine these two patterns, so the 跟什么什么一样 or 跟什么什么不一样, and then you also use the 虽然可是 or the 但是 would be fine too. And own up to a similarity between you and your parents. So here I guess I am saying use the 一样 instead of the 不一样. And then later on, explain what this does not mean with using that. 虽然我们一样 may start that way. 可是虽然我们有在这一部分我们一样的可是怎么怎么样. So practice those things, come up with, be creative, come up with your own, and we'll see you in class. 我们上课见，拜拜。